I just received my second Illumaboost. Yay! And this is the unpacking. And as well, I'm going to show you something about the Illumaboost that we need to take care of, okay? So, we open the box and you're going to see that we have two containers. So, let's take one of them, just one. This product is for us to use it in 1 month, because each container, once you open it, you activate it and open it, it's going to be more effective if you use it like within the next 15 days. And it is pure magic. So we're going to take this container, as you can see, okay? And we're going to look closer. And as you can see here, let me adjust my camera to adapt. There's like this beautiful dust and here's liquid. So what we're going to do is only the first time, we're going to do this. And there was like a click. That allows the chamber to open. So we're going to shake it, okay? So once we see like the powder, it is blended with the liquid like this, it is ready to use. And look at this. It is so beautiful. What I do is I use like 2 of these during the night, okay? And I do this and I put it right there in the area. I turn my camera so I can show you. So I do this and I apply it right there in this area. I used to have like these spots in here, and then I just do this, okay, to cover my face everywhere. At the end, what I do is that the rest, I just rub it in my hands. Guess what? For me, when I got the first one, in less than 2 weeks, I started to see that I had these spots in here, and now they are gone. So it not only helps you to give brightness to your face, but as well, it removes all of those spots. It is so amazing. And I'm so glad that I received my second one. Have the best day ever, and ciao for now.